Thanksgiving weekend, and you can see the skyline of filthy Cleveland. I'm on my R1250GS adventure machine. It's 58 degrees right now. None of my other sport bike buddies are out riding because they think it's too cold. There's no salt on the roads. This is the perfect time to be riding the GS. Yes, and I do have my heated gear activated, warming me up as I cruise these streets. So I guess I see why those guys aren't out on their super sports, you know? But having said that, if I didn't have this GS fantastic machine, I would most likely be out on one of my super bikes. Probably one with heated grips. For sure. Enjoying this beautiful weather. Beautiful in the sense that it's November 27th and this is Ohio, so we did have snow just a week ago. That's why it's beautiful. I'll stop and see if there's anyone at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, one of our usual meeting spots. I'm doubtful. There might be a bunch of Harleys out there, or those freaking three-wheel bikes. But, you know, there's probably, not too many sport bike guys out riding right now. Why? Yeah, I think they might find it too chilly. For me, we're not quite there yet. I think there's still plenty of riding time remaining. If you want to go out and do something. I always have to remind myself that the GS is standard shift. The rest of my bikes are GP. My preference, of course, is GP shift. Just seems more natural, you know? Shifting pattern from when riding a motorcycle. I suppose the good thing about having these two navigation screens on the GS is that with the one that's on the top, which is satellite driven, it'll prevent me from riding into the water, into the lake, by showing me that, hey, we're running out of road right there. Oh, so there are some sport bikes out. How did I know you guys would be down here? How are you? How did I know you'd be out here on your bike, Frankie? Hey, Mrs. Frank, how are you?
Your post the other day, I put a little link to our backyard. I said you need to take this picture out to our backyard.
No, I saw the post, but I didn't see the link. How you doing, man? Oh, you do?
There's a river and everything.
Yeah.
A river? So I can go through it on this?
It's a little creek. You could cross it and everything.
Oh, nice.
It's probably, the creek's probably at least 20 or 30 feet across.
I want to do that.
Oh, yeah. And then on the other side, you go up like a 30-foot bank, and then it goes up into a big field and shit like that.
No way.
Come back there, and there's some trails and shit.
I definitely want to do that. So I did manage to find a bunch of sport bike guys out here riding on this beautiful day. Imagine that. Guys out here just like myself, having a good time. It's nice being able to keep up with the young whippersnappers on their little sporty bikes on my R1250GS adventure. So now, the rest of my ride home should be pretty much uneventful, huh?